Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will write a letter to sister thanking him for gift. Examination hall, city ABC, date. Dear sister, I was overwhelmed with joy when I received the beautiful jewelry you sent me. Your gift is truly stunning and I can't stop admiring it. The intricate design and craftsmanship are beautiful and it sparkles with elegance. Your thoughtfulness and generosity mean the world to me. I feel so grateful to have sister like you who always show her love and appreciation in such a thoughtful and beautiful way. Thank you so much for this lovely gift. I will treasure it always and think of you every time I wear it. Your love and kindness are precious to me, and I am so lucky to have you as my sister. With my love and thanks, your loving sister XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.